Meaning of hove.
hove,
Hove.
hove,
Hove. Hove is a verb that means to heave or lift up, often referring to a ship or boat. When a vessel is said to have hove, it means it has raised its anchors and is beginning to move. The act of hoving can also refer to maneuvering a ship in a tight space by alternately pushing and pulling at the anchor. This technique is used to avoid collisions or to position the vessel for docking. In summary, hove refers to the act of heaving or lifting a ship or boat in order to move it in a particular direction.